Hi, the following demo will show innovation that Nexmo is driving in the customer engagement space, allowing customers not only to connect to a brand on their channel of choice, but also to seamlessly switch between channels without losing context. Let's say you want to connect to your brand on Facebook. In this demo, we have created a fictitious Facebook page for a brand called Acme Cell. The page will be powered by a simple chatbot. Now, since I'm already logged into Facebook, I don't have to authenticate with the brand. I can start chatting about my account with the bot right away, assuming that my Facebook profile can be matched against what Acme Cell has for me on their end. So let's get started. As you can see, the bot already knows my name and is suggesting a few options. Let's check my balance. It looks like I have a payment due on the 30th. I have an issue with my phone, so I'm going to request a chat with a live agent to get that sorted out. In this case, the chatbot passes control of the conversation to an in-contact agent with a chat skill. Let's follow the conversation to see where it leads. As the customer, I can decide when I'm ready for a callback from an agent. Let me illustrate what's happening behind the scenes before continuing with the call. After requesting a callback, an in-contact agent with an outbound call skill was called into a Nexmo conference. A connection to a WebSocket was added, and finally, the customer was also dialed into the conference. Now you may be asking, what is a WebSocket connection doing in this scenario? Well, we use it to feed the audio of the agent and customer to a third-party system for real-time transcription and sentiment analysis. This can be IBM Watson or your favorite transcription service. In this case, I'm using VoiceBase. Call transcription and sentiment data can then be sent to a supervisor dashboard for real-time monitoring of agent calls. Let's take a look at what a supervisor might be viewing during the monitoring of this call. On the left side of the screen, we have the sentiment graph. And on the right side, we can see the keywords populating. Below the two is the actual transcription as I'm speaking. Notice the sentiment graph is neutral, but if I start saying positive things like, "This service is great. My phone works just fine after the update. Thank you for helping me. I'm very happy now. I really appreciate it," the sentiment goes up. On the other hand, if I start saying things like, "This service is very bad. It's terrible service. I'm very upset and disappointed," the sentiment goes down. With this data, a supervisor can decide if a barge-in or coaching of an agent is necessary to remedy low sentiment calls. And agents who maintain high levels of call sentiment can be rewarded. This concludes the demo. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. For more information of this and other business communications use cases, visit our website at nexmo.com.